What does it take for a jet to fly halfway across the world without stopping? In the private aviation market, only a few aircraft can truly go the distance, crossing oceans and continents with remarkable endurance and power. These jets aren't just built for range, they're engineered for performance at the highest level. For frequent flyers, aviation enthusiasts, or those simply curious about these aerial marvels, this countdown reveals the top 3 ultra-long-range business jets that excel in price, technical specifications, and features. Stay tuned to discover which jet secures our top spot, because the answer might just surprise you. This is Roxanne, and you're watching Aviation Federation, sharing with you exciting information about the latest and greatest in aviation and beyond. Taking the number 3 spot is the Bombardier Global 7500, a long-range performer that has earned its reputation among the best ultra-long-range jets in operation today. Equipped with 2 GE Passport engines, delivering 18,920 pound force or 8,582 kilogram force of thrust each, it cruises at a brisk 670 knots or 1,143 kilometers per hour and reaches a maximum altitude of 51,000 feet or 15,543 meters. Its engineering is geared toward pushing boundaries while maintaining reliable intercontinental range. Few jets offer this combination of speed, range, and access. The Global 7500 offers an impressive reach of 7,700 nautical miles or 14,260 kilometers, making non-stop travel between distant cities a standard feature. It accommodates up to 19 passengers and burns approximately 460 gallons or 1,741 liters of fuel per hour. Its takeoff distance of 5,800 feet or 1,768 meters and landing requirement of just 2,520 feet or 682 meters give it access to airports that many other jets in its class can't reach. With a design built around range, performance, and accessibility, the Global 7500 continues to stand out in high-end private aviation. This jet currently has a price of $78 million. Claiming the runner-up position is the Falcon 10X, Dassault's most ambitious private jet to date and a strong contender among the best ultra-long-range jets in the world. With twin Rolls-Royce Pearl 10X engines, generating 18,000 pounds of thrust each or 8,165 kilogram force, this aircraft is built to cover serious distance. It cruises at a top speed of 660 knots or 1,141 kilometers per hour and can soar up to 51,000 feet or 15,545 meters, placing it well above typical commercial airspace. Designed for non-stop global routes, the Falcon 10X offers an impressive range of 7,500 nautical miles or 13,890 kilometers, allowing it to connect cities like New York and Hong Kong or Los Angeles and Sydney without refueling. It can accommodate up to 19 passengers, burns about 500 gallons or 1,900 liters of fuel per hour, and needs just 6,000 feet or 1,829 meters to take off, and 2,500 feet or 762 meters to land. These features make it a powerful mix of reach and versatility. Topping it off, the Falcon 10X enters the market with a price tag of $75 million. We're just about to reveal the number 1 pick in our countdown. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more high-altitude content, and share this video with fellow aviation fans or future jet owners. Got a favorite aircraft or a hot take on these rankings? Drop it in the comments because the top picks from the discussions might get featured. Also, be sure to visit the Posts tab on our channel to vote in our weekly polls. Your choice could influence what we cover next. Securing the #1 spot is the Bombardier Global 8000, a jet that defines what it means to lead in ultra-long-range performance. Powered by two General Electric Passport engines, producing 18,920 pound-force or 8,582 kilogram force of thrust each, it reaches a top speed of 627 knots or 1,151 kilometers per hour and can fly altitudes up to 51,000 feet or 15,545 meters. Built for serious non-stop routes, it brings both speed and endurance to the front of the pack. With a maximum range of 8,000 nautical miles or 14,816 kilometers, the Global 8000 connects far-flung cities without pause. It carries up to 19 passengers and maintains a fuel burn of 470 gallons per hour or 1,780 liters per hour. Its takeoff distance is 5,760 feet or 1,756 meters, and landing requires just 2,237 feet or 682 meters, making it suitable for a wider variety of airports. The Bombardier Aviation flight deck supports advanced navigation and flight awareness, putting control where it matters. Considered one of the best ultra-long-range jets available today, the Bombardier Global 8000 has a price tag of $85 million. That wraps up our countdown of our top ultra-long-range business jets for non-stop intercontinental flights, a showcase of aircraft built to push the limits of distance, speed, and endurance. Whether you're tracking performance specs or dreaming of your own flight deck, these jets prove what's possible at 51,000 feet. Which one would you take on a non-stop journey around the globe? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your pick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep an eye out for more aviation content coming soon. And as always, fly safe